Hello! Ayan, nakapag-shopping na kami ng mga sapatos ni Mother Dear dito sa City Walk. Ayan, kita niya ba? Ayan, City Walk. Bumili si Mother ng NB, New Balance. Ako naman Nike. So, ayan. Look at this, shopping. Tapos bumili din si Nani ng mga shampoo, conditioner. Talagang tatry daw niya ang shampoo at conditioner ng Hong Kong. Ayan. Woo! Okay. So, babalik na kami sa Panda Hotel kasi doon kami pipick up ng 3:45 PM kasi ang flight namin pang Manila ay 7:40 PM. So, see ya! Hello, bus na going to the airport. Time check is 10 to 4 PM. Ayan sila kuya. Si Kuya Noel. Mars. Hello.
Goodbye, Hong Kong.
Goodbye, Hong Kong. See you, Philippines, in a bit. Mother.
Goodbye, Hong Kong.
Kuya, yung dalawang kuya magkatabi. Ayan, so later. So time check is already 6:48. Our flight is 7:40. Ayan, kumakain si Mother ng McDo. Ito na aming early dinner. Still waiting sila Mars.